टीचर यो लीडिंग इन क्रायसीस री-इमॅजिनिंग द फ्युचर हो थीम कोविडान काडलो आनी हेच म्हणप कितें री-इमॅजिनिंग द फ्युचर लीडिंग इन क्रायसीस. कोविड आयलें बुकांचे शिकयताले आमी. Those teachers got adopted and started going online teaching. A quick change of focus. And that was what was feeding the crisis. भुरगीं 2 वर्सां घरा रावलीं आनी शिकलीं. आनी आज परत back again to the school. So it's a wonderful theme. And with this theme we are going ahead. I'm really honored to be your representative of this constituency. You all have given me this opportunity. And I thank the Almighty that I can keep going and doing good things and things in a different way for the people who have made me proud and made me here today. I have my teachers here who have been felicitated. जोरी तोरी गांवच इस्कलान शिकोन हांव बोटीर वचोन हांव एक कॅप्टन जालो. कॅप्टन जावन आज हांव तुमगेलो रिप्रेझेंटेटीव म्हूण आज उलयतां. आज म्हज्यान जोरी तोरी गांवच इस्कलान शिकोन हे लेवलार पावपा जाता. I think our schools deserve a big hand. Our teachers deserve a big hand. And our teachers can do it. Now what is missing? Why are our children going to the city schools? कित्याक? हांव कोरमोणी गांवान शिकलोलो मुगे टीचर थिंगाय. पूण मुगे भुरगीं कोरमोणे इस्कला वचनाय. कित्याक? I being an MLA, I am saying I am not sending my children to the same school. I was a distinction out of the school. Only distinction after 10 years of a gap. All of them know about it. But today I don't send them. Why? What is the reason? Teachers don't know to teach? Nah. Teachers are much better. Teacher can give more time. So what is missing? Sir, I'm saying let us make Benaulim education model. Yes. Let's do it. And yes, we are here. I am going to take the initiative. I want you as my support to make Benaulim an education module. Can we all join hands, teachers? Yes. Before the elections, for the campaign time, I had formed a teachers panel. And that teachers panel was to guide me with a small group of teachers. Now I have a huge group of teachers. Are you willing to guide me in this journey of 5 years, how to do things and how to get things organized? Are you all ready? Yes. And after that 3rd event, today is the 4th event. In the span of 6 months, towards education, today is the 4th event of uniting all you lovely teachers who have contributed and who are nation builders. You are the nation builders and you have built this nation. Because of you, people like me are here today. And we would want your support to push the future generation and the future parents. Parenting has become a great struggle today. I myself struggle as a parent. So parenting has become such a big issue, and I think you are going to be the front runners in Benaulim to support me and to ensure that we could guide the teachers, the parents towards good parenting and to come out as good citizens. घालपाचें, होडी मारपाच्यो, झील कातरपाचें आनी लायट घालपाच्यो हें काम जावन आसतालें MLA गेलें. I am not doing this. PWD रस्त्यार डांबोर घातलो, लायटी डिपार्टमेंट, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट ते लायटीचे पोल घातले. जे गांवांत कितें काम आसा तें पंचायत आपल्यागे सांबाळटलें. I am here to make a difference. And if I make a difference, I think the next generation will able to see that yes, we need to enter politics because of this man who is here for a change today and who is going to show Goa that we are going to make a change. So this is all out of passion, out of heart. I am so happy to hear the words of our principal sir, because his words are in line and in tune with what we think and what we want for our constituents. What we want here today is we do not want ego. सरान म्हणलें ते भाशेन तेगे दुरीक भितर गायला तेगे मोड. वी डू नॉट वॉन्ट दिस ईगो. लेट अस ऑल वर्क टुगेदर एज अ कम्युनिटी. लेट अस बिल्ड अप दिस टीम. Let us build up Benaulim. Let us make education the mainstream. Let us make education of Benaulim.
As teachers, what we can do for our constituency? Teachers, you know what is Latur model. That Latur model, because of Latur model, we are getting that midday meals, whereby full day schooling is the Latur pattern. Latur is a village in Maharashtra. I think you know that. Now whole India is following Delhi model for school education. Delhi model. You know, in Delhi, the education system is just revamped. Now the people want to take admission in the government primary schools. Some years back they were deserted. Nobody used to go there. They used to pay hefty fees in the private schools. Now the high class society prefers government school. There is total transformation in the educational system in Delhi because of the education minister. So if you get one person who can do magic, one person can do magic, and now this Delhi pattern of education has been looked out, has been accepted by the whole country. Can we have such a type of thing in our Benavli village? I want our new generation to be very positive. I want my new generation to be very competitive, and I want at least 10 IAS officers in your Benavli village. Nobody thinks about that. UPSC examinations, competitive examinations. And you know, in the schools in Kota, schools in Mangalore, our nearby states also, I go to Kota. You know, these parents, they put their children in the coaching classes for IAS, UPSC examination when the child is 4th standard. And we are thinking, SSC जाऊ नी मागीर पळोवया काय पळोवप जायना आमचे भुरगे कितले फाटी आसात पळयात.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.